Look, pistas. Have you been in Tel Aviv?
No, I would love to.
It's about time. These guys, nobody came to Israel. And you guys call yourself Christian. It's not Christianity.
No, I'm not Christian. But I would love to go. I know it's a great place to be at.
This is a special drink with tequila and all sorts of different fruit juices, grapefruit juice, orange. It's really tasty. It's very bright and light.
Let me know
But it does have a little kick.
You look
like you're getting drunk, no?
Okay.
That's a great one.
Hey, we are.
That drink is called Cazuela.
Cazuela de tequila.
No, I was born in
Tequila.
It doesn't mean I don't like.
Cazuela is a great refreshing drink on a nice warm summer day, especially if you're going to have company. You can make a big batch of it in advance, get a ladle and then some individual glasses, pour them in, or you can do it the traditional way like they do in Jalisco, Mexico, and that is you get some straws and you can drink from the same bowl. What the heck? Anyway, however you do it, it's a great drink in the summertime. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as ring the bell. That way you know when the next video is coming out. Hey, by the way, if you're interested in knowing how to make this cazuela, I'm going to leave the recipe in the description below. So you're welcome to check that out.